Hi everyone, in today's project we're going to be installing the full turboback exhaust system and the RaceChip with Bluetooth app, so you can control all the settings by your phone in this 2017 or Gen 3 Montero. But before that, we're going to be measuring its stock elapsed time from 0 to 100, so that later on we can compare how much horsepower or how many seconds we've improved from installing the full turboback system and the RaceChip system. So let's go ahead and do that now. Stock performance, we got 15.08 seconds from 0 to 100. Now that we've installed the full turboback exhaust system, let's find out how fast we can get. So just a quick recap. We started with 15 seconds on this 2017 Montero, which is quite, let's say, slower than stock, because the owner put tires that are really meant for off-road, and that's good because that's his theme. Unfortunately, there's a drawback with having bigger tires because it affects performance. So from 15 seconds, the stock Montero would probably be somewhere 12 seconds to 13 seconds from 0 to 100. I was really happy to see that we got 12 seconds from 0 to 100 with the full turboback exhaust system, which means we got all the lost power back. I'm really excited in pushing the limits of this car, but still following the safety protocol of ECU, because unlike the ECU tuning really just bypasses everything. With RaceChip, your stock ECU remains so that all the safety feature is followed. So I am really hoping that we will improve a lot. 0.5 of a seconds, I'd be very much happy with that from the RaceChip. But if we get more than that, then I'm sure that me and the customers will also be very much happy. So let's go ahead and find out how many seconds we're going to be able to cut or to improve with the RaceChip app. Alright, so just a quick recap. With this 2017 Montero with its bigger tires, we got 0 to 100 at 15 seconds. We installed the exhaust system and we got all the lost power back from the tires at 12.5 seconds. And then we installed RaceChip and we saw an added 1.1 seconds improvement from the RaceChip, which ends us up at 11.39 seconds, and which means we're faster than stock, most definitely. Yet the customer is still able to maintain this off-road look with its bigger tires. The sound of the exhaust system of this Montero is just awesome. That being said, I am very much happy with the 4 seconds of improvement we got from the turboback system and the RaceChip. And I want to thank Ryan Ilagan and Luz Teodoro for their trust in bringing this car to me, to our shop. And I'm going to be handing this over to you guys, and I hope you guys will enjoy this too, will have fun with your car. And with that, I want to thank you guys and see you again soon. Bye.